Hi guys, we are here in Clearwater at the Great Falls Campground and RV Resort Golf Club, I think it's called. If I'm wrong, I put the name in the description. And yeah, we are already here 2 days. It's a pretty nice, quiet campground in the middle of a provincial park here, and we are surrounded by pristine nature. It is really nice here. The trees are really tall, the wildlife is incredible, the waterfalls, everything here is just like out of a dream world, so to speak, man. It is really nice here. And well, I don't care much about golf, but look around here, man. This is nice. And the only reason why we choose this spot, it's not because we like playing golf, but on golf courses normally there's not much partying going on, so it will be quiet at night. That can guarantee you a nice sleep. And yeah, it is just perfectly fine here. Nothing to worry about here. They had a couple bear sightings the other day, but nothing major. And this is really, really nice here. And here we have the units that you can rent. Canada Cruise and Canada Dream are the two biggest that I know of. Most of the vehicles based on a Ford chassis. You can rent them, of course, in between $1,700 and $4,000. What I saw on their website depends on make and model and what kind of package you get. I don't know if you get kilometers included or not. You have to look that up for yourself, and they're very common with the international travel folk. As far as I know, you can drive them with your regular European driving license for your car. There are, of course, limitations with those units. I don't think you can go anywhere. Off-road, for example, is probably not a good idea to do with these units. But other than that, they got all you need for your vacation in Canada. So yeah, this is our little setup here. The Jeep and the bushwhacker. As you can see, the box and the two propane tanks in the front, and of course underneath, boxes and whatever else. See the cat. And next to that we have the mosquito tent. And yeah, that's how we have been set up here. Works great. And yeah, so far so good. Exploring the neighborhood on the topic of the day, and we'll see what we can find, what we can see. And we got a lot of good intel that we can find some nice waterfalls, things like that.
Really, it's a bear?